Today I want to encourage you to protect yourself from the ugliness, pain, and even death that can result from skin cancer. I have researched this subject and I am passionate about the cancer field. I also have been in the field for approximately 6 years. Malignant melanoma, better known as skin cancer, is a disease that can be prevented by knowing exactly what it is, how to reduce the chance of getting it, and by taking the necessary precautions or ultimately suffering the consequences. The best defense against skin cancer is to be informed and to protect yourself from the harmful UV rays of the sun. The sunburn that you receive this week may take 20 years to become skin cancer. Facts. These are some facts regarding skin cancer as per malignant melanoma yahoohealth.com. Skin cancer patients in the U.S. have doubled since 1973. Skin cancer is the most common in people under 30 years old. Excessive exposure to UV radiation by the sun or by tanning lamps or boots can cause skin damage resulting in premature aging or skin cancer. Some causes are excessive UV exposure. Damaged DNA makes the cells less able to control how and when cells grow and divide. Some of these risk factors that I will be sharing with you is also from malignant melanoma yahoohealth.com. Excessive exposure to UV radiation sunlight, fair complexion, family history. If you have a strong family history of cancer, that is definitely one of the signs that you can be at a high risk for cancer, any kind. Multiple moles, severe sunburn as a child. Signs and symptoms: changes in the skin or the mole, scaling, oozing, bleeding, or a change in appearance of your skin. So everyone should pay attention. No one knows their body better than yourself. So not even a doctor. So as soon as you notice something different on your skin, I think you should definitely seek the advice of a physician. So if you are someone who is at greater risk of skin cancer, you should take the necessary precautions to reduce exposure to UV radiation. Here are some ways to reduce exposure. Reduce time exposed to sun. Seek shade. Shade is the best. I know we all love suntans, but it can be very dangerous. Cover up. Use sunglasses. Some sunglasses. Sunglasses are my favorite. Use sunscreen. Use a hat and long sleeves. Be aware of medications that increase exposure effects. So one of the things I read in a breast cancer article actually is foundation makeup can cause breast cancer. So there are medications that can increase your risk of cancer when you're taking it and you're exposed to sun. And last but not least, perform monthly skin checks. So, check your body out, look at your skin, on a monthly basis, make sure everything looks normal. Evidence suggests that reducing exposure to ultra radiation will reduce our risk of developing skin cancer. The American Cancer Society estimates that 1 out of 7 people in the United States will develop some form of cancer in their lifetime. Each year, nearly 1 million Americans develop skin cancer, and many more find their skin is older, damaged, and wrinkled, as per skincheck.org Melanoma Education Foundation. So yes, sun also causes wrinkles and causes you to look older. Skin cancer is not only the #1 form of cancer, it is also the kind that is most preventable. Think of all the unnecessary deaths and skin cancer surgeries that could be avoided. Because once you have skin cancer, it is the only way to hopefully get rid of it. So Going outside without wearing sunscreen is like riding in a car without your seatbelt on. You know you need to do it. It's so simple to do, yet sometimes you don't realize the consequences until it's too late. Don't make that mistake. Don't fall into that statistic. If it can be avoided, why not? In conclusion, I want to ask you to prevent unnecessary sunburns and reduce your risk of developing skin cancer before it is too late. Sun protection is easy, and it may save your life. Remember that melanoma doesn't discriminate. People from all ages, races, economic levels, you can have a lot of money, you can have a little, it does not discriminate, and it does not matter how much money you have. You cannot buy your way out of skin cancer. And sexes have been affected by a terrible form of skin cancer. All you have to do is visit any convenience store, Walgreens, Rite Aid, Walmart, local pharmacy, corner store. Any of these stores should carry sunblock. These $5 that you spend on buying the sunscreen, these $5 may add 5 years to your life. Keep yourself from being 1 out of 7 Americans that will develop melanoma this year. Thank you.